Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you two very easy ways to find your Steam ID on your Steam account. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So your Steam ID is a number specifically generated for your Steam account and no one else's. Now it's very easy to find. I'm going to be using the Steam client on the PC. But if you have a web page open and you're logged into your account, you can do this the same way. So I'm just under Store. In the upper right side of the screen, you can see your profile name. Select the drop-down window and then go to Account Details. Then immediately at the top, you will be able to see your Steam ID under your account name. So my account name is Let's Talk Games, and this is my Steam ID. Now, I'm just using a free account, but my Steam ID is very easy to find right there. Now, the second way that you can find it is by going back up to the upper right side of the screen and going to your profile name and then going to View My Profile. Then when you're at your profile page, go to Edit Profile and select this option right here. Then go down to Custom URL. Now, you may have something listed in here already. Just go ahead and delete everything. Now, you'll notice when you delete your custom URL, a number for the link down below will appear. And this will be your Steam ID. So you can see my Steam ID located right here. However, when I do type something in for my custom URL now, that number will disappear. So that's the second way you can find your Steam ID very easily. If you're going to be contacting Steam support, you will need to provide them that number, and it's very easy to find. If this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and make sure you leave this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.